Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to get swipe up features on Instagram story without have 10,000 followers. First, you can go to your Instagram app. After this, you must have IGTV. If you don't have IGTV video, you can make IGTV video here. Tap here and then you can tap IGTV. Then you can add new IGTV here. The duration of video must to over 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So you can choose your video here. Then you can upload the video to IGTV. Previously, I have done upload my IGTV video. So you can go to your profile here. And then you can find your IGTV video here. Yeah, this is my video. And now to get swipe up features, you can go to your Instagram story, make a new story. For example, test. Then you can tap here. Then yeah, it's now you can add your swipe up link IGTV video. Can tap here, can choose your IGTV video, then tap OK. Okay, it's finished. You can send to your story. And now you have swipe up features without must have 10,000 followers. Okay, think it's enough. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you. Bye bye.